Welcome, students. This is our English class online. I'm your teacher, Teacher Glean. Now let's review our lesson last week. The sound of letter V. Big letter V. Small letter V is for van. V, van. This is a van. Now let's review our English chant for letter V. The vulture eats. The vulture eats between his meals. And that's the reason why. And that's the reason why is very rarely feels, as well as you and I. Again, the vulture eats between his meals, and that's the reason why is very rarely feels, as well as you and I. So the sound of letter V. What is that? That's a van. What is that? That's a vase. What is that? That's a vaccine. Okay, let's have more words. What is that? That's a vacuum. What is that? That's a violin. What is that? That's a vulture. Okay, so that's our lesson last week, okay? Now today, we will learn the sound of letter W. Big letter W. Small letter W is for water. 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 Again, please. Okay, let's repeat. Big letter W, small letter W is for water. Water. So the sound of letter W is . Okay. So this is water. Now, let's learn new words today, okay? A watch. A watch. What is this? What is this? This is a watch. This is a watch. Number 2, a wax. A wax. What is this? What is this? This is a wax. This is a wax. Okay, number 3, a wall. A wall. What is this? This is a wall. This is a wall. Okay, let's repeat again, please. A watch. What is this? This is a watch. A wax. What is this? This is a wax. A wall. What is this? This is a wall. Okay, so you have new words today, okay? Let's have more words. A wallet. A wallet. What is that? What is that? That's a wallet. A window. A window. What is that? That's a window. A wave. A wave. What is that? That's a wave. Okay, let's repeat. A wallet. What is that? That's a wallet. A window. What is that? That's a window. A wave. A wave. What is that? That's a wave. That's a wave. Okay, so that's all for today, kids. Thank you for listening attentively in our lesson. See you again next time. Goodbye.